This setup enables users to add a list of achievements for both students and employees, making it easy for teachers, principals, and HR to upload achievements to profiles in the future. To add an achievement, click on the Add Levels icon. A form will appear where you can enter the achievement name. Once done, click on the Save button and confirm the process. The achievement entry will then be successfully stored in your school's database. You can add multiple achievements by following the same steps. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit icon in the Actions section, or use the Delete icon to remove an entry. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.